Good morning. I'm back. Grateful for another beautiful day. So happy to be back. Kids are in school, there's no more chaos, and I have a lot of updates to share with y'all, but I'm going to give that to y'all throughout this video. Um, but yeah, I did get a payout. I did blow accounts. So let's just jump straight into the charts and I'll explain everything to y'all later. All right. So, right now, looking at the 1 hour chart, we are in an obvious market maker sell model. All right. I do believe that we will be headed down into this area right here. We did hit equilibrium from this data range right there. So we could possibly see a bounce from this area or even from here, right? After it takes out this LRLR, low resistance liquidity rate. I do believe that this is going to be the ultimate target here before we see the market turn around. Jumping straight into the 15-minute chart, we are in consolidation. 7:30 open, market manipulated up, and I do believe we are headed down to take out Asia lows. So that's going to be my short-term target here. Okay. So there was a clear entry here in this imbalance, but what I'm going to do is wait for 9:30 open, and I'm going to see what the market does. If the market wants to head up here, bounce off 7:30 open, head up, and then head down, or if it wants to continue up, I'm not sure. So I am not going to enter a trade until I am sure about which way the market will be headed. Of course, I could be wrong, but my conviction needs to be high, right? If I'm short, then I'm going to be targeting Asia low. If I'm long, then I'm going to be targeting London high or Asia high. All right, so let's just sit tight and see what the market does. Is there news today? There is news at 10 o'clock. It is a red folder news, but it isn't high impact. It's Jolt jobs opening. Tomorrow's news in the morning is more of a heavy hitter than today's news at 10. So we may wait for 10 until after 10 to see what the market does. I'm not sure. I got to see what price does, but it's probably better to wait today. All right. So be safe. So I entered this trade because it's supporting here in this gap. And it's this fair value gap is holding as well. So I am in this trade. I market executed here as soon as I saw price, as soon as I saw bullish price action. So we'll see how this trade goes. Now for ES, I do want to target this imbalance here. So I'm just going to move my take profit up and I'm going to trail my stop. See how this trade does. I do believe it's going to hit this high right there. I mean, it's a long shot, but you know what? It's fine. As soon as it breaks this high, I'm going to be trailing my stop. And remember, there is 10 a.m. news, so I kind of want to be in and out. My daily loss limit is set to 500. So that's the most I can lose. This is an evaluation account. This is a combine, as y'all can see. Yesterday I did about $700, so that's why my balance right now is this. So just to give you all a recap, I did blow my accounts. I did take a payout, and after I took a payout, that account was blown. I did trade a little bit while I was on like a YouTube break. I traded during random times, during random pockets. So that's the reason why I haven't uploaded in a while, is because my house was in absolute chaos because my kids were on summer break. But I am back. They are back in school. It feels good to be back. Let me know in the comments below how y'all have been doing. Curious to see how y'all are doing. But yeah, let's just wait to see what this position does. It may just kind of move sideways until the news comes out. So I might just close this position if it comes back up here. I'm entering 2 contracts here as well for MNQ. I am not going to take $400 in profit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set my stop right here. Might take profit. I might get stopped up, but it's all right. So news is coming up. I do want to take some profit. because of the volatility. So I may just take profit here. There we go. And then just wait for after the news. I mean, it could definitely just pump up, but 10 a.m. news, I don't know. I don't know if I want to stick around for that. So I am up 124. Why can't I enter a position? This is not what I want to happen. Top step. Come on. Why can't I enter a position? This is so bad. Alright, so top step X is back. I entered at that fair value gap. Not quite sure what happened there, but I am going to be targeting about $400 in profit. I'm not sure if this is going to hit, but that was really weird. I did not like the fact that Top Step X was glitching out like that. Makes me kind of wonder if this is going to be a reliable platform, because I could have definitely made money. It's an evaluation account, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Taking 3 contracts at that fair value gap, just FYI. I think price will actually hit this level here where it's fair value. So I'm going to put my stop there. Let's see. This was a manipulation leg. So theoretically speaking, should be targeting here, 2 fib. This is the manipulation leg. We'll see. I'm just going to trail my stop. I'm not expecting it to hit that, but I'm just going to trail my stop as price continues to move. That's going to be my strategy. So if y'all see these crazy take profits, it's not that I am targeting that per se. I am just placing my stop, my take profit there, just in case, leaving it, just giving price room to breathe, and then trailing my stop loss. All right. I'm expecting this inverse fair value gap here to, or this bearish fair value gap to inverse. Once it does, I'm going to add 2 contracts. Yeah, and as you can see here, that wasn't a great idea. I immediately got stopped out, took a loss. You can see that $85 loss in equity. So I basically lost about, well, like 150 on that or something. I don't know. I can't math right. All right. Looking back at whatever's going on right now, it looks like price wants to head up higher. I am going to move my stop loss up to here. I'm wondering why it's struggling to get above that when this is a bullish candle. It's highly bullish. All right, we'll see. Like wondering right now. Right now, I'm kind of struggling to let this trade play out, or if I should just take profit. And that's been That's been the majority of my struggles these days. If it breaks this high here, then I'm going to be trailing my stop here. I'm trying to ingrain in my head that this is a skills thing. I need to hone in on my skill rather than the money, right? So a lot of y'all might say, well, you could have been done for the day at $500 or whatever. Well, yeah, you're right. I could have been. But I'm really trying to hone in on my craft and not worry about the monetary value because the money will come no matter what, right? The money will come. I'm being a little more aggressive with my take profits right now. Sorry, I'm being a little more aggressive with my stop losses, just trailing it a little bit higher. I do think it may hit this level. Let's see if it taps me out. Bam. $411.80 for the day. I am not too mad at that. Performance stats. So total P&L for the past 2 days, $1,100. I took 5 trades today. Don't want to overtrade. I do think price is going to head up. So you know what? To lower my risk, I may just trade one contract, the very tight stop. I'm only willing to lose $10. Bam. Okay, I'm done. Manual lockout. Lock me out. Yes. Okay. So I am done. Performance stats. Yesterday I did 25 trades, not great. Today 6 trades total for 401.06. Back into the charts just as a summary. I took my profit here when price came down somewhere here when I was trailing it. And I did enter another contract, stopped me out, lost $11. And price looks like it wants to head up to the 2 fib, which is great, right? But I'm out. I did lock my account. I don't want to trade anymore. I am happy with the $400 that I made today. With that, I do need to get up to $53,000. So I do have a long ways to go to fund this account. But yeah, so while I was out, I did trade just at random times when I could while I was, dealing with the chaos in the house. I did take $1,000 payout, which is great. I did pay myself $1,000. If y'all want to see the process of requesting a payout from Top Step, you can go back to one of the videos. I'll link it in the description. It's you can follow that and request a payout for Top Step. But I am trading one evaluation account, one combine on Top Step X platform. I did not like how it was glitching out earlier today, so I'm not sure if I'm going to continue with Top Step X or if I wanted to trade on Tradeovate. I'm not sure yet. All right, so let's just take everything that I say with a grain of salt. There's massive construction going on outside of my house, so if you hear that, it's construction. Um, but yeah, let me know how y'all did today. There was a weird 10 o'clock news Jolt jobs opening that did create this candle here. Was not expecting that, but it is Red Folder News. But yeah, subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K. I am at $1,000 in profit. So I still got a long ways to go. Please like the video for the YouTube algorithm, and I will catch y'all tomorrow.